Welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing this month's box. I have our May 2022 Boxycharm base box here that we're unboxing. And if you're not familiar, this is a monthly subscription. It costs $27.99 and you get 5 full-size products, which can be skincare or makeup products for your makeup collection or skincare collection. So whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. So we're going to get right into this box here without any further delay. So guys, this month our box has a theme called Super Bloom. So let's get right into this thing here. Let's not waste no time. So the first thing I pull out, I have the Yesenia, and this looks like the Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge here. And guys, this has a retail value of $18. I don't know about you, but I'm cheap and I'm not paying $18 for a beauty sponge. But I appreciated that it's in the box, so I'll definitely try it out. But it says that the verbiage we have is that the Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives you full coverage, but a skin-like finish. It's a multi-purpose and reusable with a gentle wash after every use, gentle on the skin. So if it does what it says it does, I'm pretty happy with it. It's just a beauty sponge, so I'm not super duper excited, as you know. So we're going to take this out and just show you guys what it looks like. Again, just a sponge, nothing special. So I'm not going to be here too long looking at this sponge. So here it is. It has the little parts here. I think that's great for helping you when you're blending things out on your face, the little contour sections and getting under your eyes. So that'll be perfect. I think it's designed pretty well. If it does what it says, I'll be very happy. So let's go on to our next product. So the next thing we have here, I was excited for this. So we got an Item Beauty. I think this was my choice item, I believe. And this is Item Beauty by Addison Rae, the TikToker. We have her Air Hug Concealer, and this has a $18 value. And it says, when you need to course correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. It's a lightweight formula featured with cacao papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends to smooth seamlessly. Its pillowy texture glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. So I think that's awesome. I have the shade 348 here, and I'm gonna pop it out so you guys can see it. And this is the color. It's a very light one, but I did need a light concealer. I don't know, I'm gonna just put a dot on here so you guys can kind of see, and we can kind of play with it a little bit, little something 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 something, right? So it's just supposed to be a concealer. I wanted to have a lighter color just because I like to use a lighter color under my eyes to kind of brighten them out a bit. So this is how the concealer is moving around. I say it's doing pretty good to me. I mean, it's a concealer, so it's even better idea to see how it is on my face when I put it with my makeup and kind of blend it out a bit. But it does seem to be moving. It's not a lot of effort. I'm just kind of tapping it out with my fingers. And it seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. So I think it'll blend pretty nice for like my under eye area. Those spots where are kind of dark naturally. You kind of want to brighten them up. So I think this will work just fine. So I haven't used any of her makeup products before. So I'll be glad to try this out. I think the only thing I got from her before was like a mascara, and I think that was okay. So I'm sort of curious to see how this performs with wearing it with your makeup all day, to see if it really lasts. But I was excited to get like a concealer. I like getting concealer, so this is a plus for me. So I'm pretty happy on that one. So we're going to move right ahead to our next product. And the next thing that I have, guys, I have, oh, this is an expensive one. We have the Kate Burke Vitamin C Intense Face Cream. And I know this has like a cult following. This thing is expensive. This is a $116 face cream, by the way. So this is a Vitamin C Intense Face Cream. It's developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion and protect the skin from environmental toxins. So I've heard that this product is really, really good. I really want to try it out and see. So I'll kind of put it in rotation somewhere. But I think this is a pretty cool one. Let's see what it looks like outside of the packaging, because you know I hate when they make everything look so big. And then the only thing in here is this small little jar. Look, this is the jar. So why is it in such humongous packaging? Just crazy. But if it does what it says, I love products that have vitamin C in them for my face, because that helps with like any kind of blemishes or spots you're trying to clear up. It really brightens your face up, by the way. So I hope this works as everybody else says it does. If so, it'll be one of my favorites. So I can't wait to try that one out. And the next product, guys, we're going to keep this train moving. Okay, what I got here? Okay, so I have the Skin Incorporated. This is the Serum Glow Filter. So this is $50. Okay, so this is $50. This is the Glow Up World's First Skincare Makeup Serum Glow. Okay, that's a lot. It says blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with a rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Incorporated's top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. I like both of those. To give you a selfie filter in real life. And this has, again, a $50 value. I'm going to pop it out of here, guys, so you guys can see what it looks like. This does look pretty cool inside, though. Look how all of these little modules or something is in here, like little beads and stuff. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm trying to remember if I had a product from this brand before, and I actually don't remember. So this may be my first time using this brand. So I can't wait to use that one. It has 2 of my favorite ingredients, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So help clear brown spots, help plump the skin with the hyaluronic acid. So I think this would be cool if it does what it says. So $50 value on that one. So wow. Okay, skincare, beauty meeting together. Okay, all right. So our very last product, guys, that we're down to, I have a V Cosmetic product. I've never used this brand before or heard of them. This is their Liquid Velvet Lipstick. It has a retail value of $22. So let's pop it out and see what it is. It says, unlike any other lip color. Oh, this is a pretty color. It says, unlike any other lip color you'll ever see, this Liquid Velvet Lipstick is the product you need to add to make your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, long wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion forward vibe. So K Cosmetics. This is a nice color. I think this is really pretty. Definitely a good color for summer, spring. So I can't wait to try this one. So guys, in conclusion, we have the following products. So we received this month lipstick. We received the Skin Incorporated Company's Serum Glow Filter. We received a sponge from Yesenia. We also received Item Beauty. This is their what is this? Oh yeah, this is their concealer from Item Beauty. And we also received the face cream from Kate Burke. So these are our 5 products for the month. I would say, to me, right off the back, we have 3 makeup items. I guess you could kind of call this a and a half, because this is supposed to be like skincare makeup. So it's supposed to make your makeup look better or whatever have you. And then we have our face cream. It's okay. I'm not over the top about anything, I guess, in this box, other than maybe, I don't know. I like to try this one, and then the Cake Burke, I'm really hyped about trying her face cream because I've heard so much about it. But no one's hyped about a sponge. It's useful, but we're just not hyped to get that. And then the lipstick is pretty, and I think the concealer is also a good one as well. So it was an okay box for me. I'm not over the moon about anything, but I thought it was okay. So guys, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you thought about this variation that I received this month for the May 22 base box for Boxycharm. It was okay. It was okay. It was okay. Nothing major. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. I think what I want to try and do though is I think I want to try and use some of this stuff and like do a try on maybe with Boxycharm and Ipsy products that we got from this May month and see how all of them kind of work together. But guys, hit me up in the comments below. I will see you guys next time. Stay blessed. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. It'll keep you up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. And it also helps this little small channel here on YouTube grow and get the attention of other people who are into these kind of videos just like you. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack.